Hello all, welcome again to EasyDeal. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Excel macro. Excel macro is used when you repeat a specific task over again. You might want to record a similar task so that when you want to do it next time, you just use the macro that you've saved for you to perform that same task. Simply put, it automates repeated tasks for you, right? So let's get right into it. If you're new to my channel, this is EasySeed. We talk about tech, everything about tech and more, right? So here we go. If you're new to using macros, you can find the option here from the view tab. You find macro here and you see record macro. You can also use the developer option to get record macro. If you don't have this developer option turned on, you simply right click on the ribbon here and you click on customize ribbon. Automatically you go down here, you will see developer option and you turn it on, then save and you'll be fine. You can also go to file, go to options. Under option you go to customize ribbon and you will still see the developer option, right? So these are the basic ways to turn on your developer option where you get your macros, right? Or you can pass through the view tab to get your macros, right? So let's start. Go to developer option and click on record macro. Mind you, before you start, make sure that you've planned your task how it will be, so that as you're going, because whatever you record, that is what the macro will save, right? So plan them and know the step-by-step guide on how to achieve that particular test before you're now on your macro and record, so that after recording it will follow that same process to repeat the task, right? So let's begin. Click on start recording macro. Here you can give it a name. I just leave it at macro 1 and I use a shortcut key. Now this shortcut key, when next you want to run it, you can just simply use the control plus the Q to run your macro, right? So we have the store macro option. We have 3 options here. I will just leave it with this workbook, right? So I click on OK. Now macro has started recording. You can see it here, and when you come down below here, you can also see that this button here is showing a macro is currently being recorded. Click to stop, right? Now let's begin. I'll first create an extra column here. After creating the column, I will go here to separate the names by going to my data, text to column, and delimitate it. I will select the comma and the space because mine has comma and also space, right, to get this desired outlook, right? So I click on finish and it will add this to the next column, right? I can rename this, but let me just leave it at this and also this, right? So the next thing is to use my conditional formatting to get response greater than or above 300. So you have 297 and above, so you see it's highlighted with a red, but you can still come here to choose a different outlook based on your choice of preference, right? So you click on OK and we are done. So this is a basic macro recording, right? So click here to stop the macro, or I can stop the macro from here, right? So I click on stop. So our macro has stopped recording and is automatically saved, right? So let me go back now and Control Z this. Now we have this information and we want to reuse the macro. So you either use the shortcut key, which is Control plus Q, or you come to macros here and you will see the recorded macro here, macro 1. I see that it's already selected. Alright, if it's not selected, you click on select, or sometimes if it's not on this place here, you can come and select all open workbooks and you will see that it will show, right? Let me select it again and you can click on run and automatically you can see that it have repeated this task for us. So if you want to repeat this task next time, like I've just done, All you simply do is just use your macros and it will do that for you. I've used the shortcut key Ctrl+Q to achieve this also. So this is basically how to use your macro to record events and also get work easily done for you. So you can use the Visual Basics and you go to model. Let me open this, model 1, and this is a simple code that the Excel has done to record this macro, right? So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if not done so. You will see more of this. See you in the next video.